This is the Nordic Pure AC and Furnace Filters 6-pack in MERV 14. As we can see here, it's got a very, very nice pleated design, and because this is MERV 14, this is actually really soft. It's not papery. See, it's a soft pleated design, and this one is the 16 by 25 by 1, and then it does have nice handy little arrows on actually both sides to tell you which way to put it in with the airflow. So because of the fact that this is pointing that way, the airflow would be coming from this direction through the air filter into the furnace. I purchased this one particularly because of the fact that I have 2 cats and a dog. Really wanted to try and reduce the amount of allergens, pet dander. Overall, I am really impressed. I'm really impressed with this design. It's very durable metal, and like I said, it's so soft. It's not paper. So I'm very much looking forward to seeing it continue its wonderful performance in my house.